Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your keys on your Volkswagen Polo Mk4, 9 and 3. If you have a fail function with the keys, maybe it is a solution to reset this. Go and stand on the driver's side. There is a lock, and this lock and your key are fits completely together, as you can see. Now we rotate 90 degrees the key to the right side and hold it there for 3 up to 5 seconds. And then the key is reset, done, and we can use it again to open and close the car, and of course to use the ignition, switch on the device and use it again. So easy it is to reset your key system on your Volkswagen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.